Let's talk about conditional statements if, else, else if. Conditional statements are a fundamental part of any programming language. They allow your program to respond differently to different situations by executing different code depending on whatever a certain condition is met. In Python, we use if, else, and else if to create these conditional statements. Let's explore how to use these in more details. Okay, so let's start with if statement. The if statement is the most straightforward type of conditional. It checks if a condition is true, and if it is, it executes a block of code. Let's see an example. In our Python project, I will create a new Python file. If statement. And in this Python script, I am going to create a new variable. And here you have our example condition. In this case, the condition is x is greater than 0. If the condition is true, which is, then the intended code block print x is a positive number will be executed. Okay, let's try to run our Python script. Yes, and we can see x is a positive number since x is 10.